Hi everyone, welcome to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download Binance application on your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To download Binance application on your Android, first make sure that you are connected to a stable internet. Once you're connected, tap Open Play Store. Go to the search box at the top and type in Binance with the help of your keyboard. Once you find the application displayed in the search result, tap on the install button right beneath or right beside the app to begin the downloading process. Binance is a cryptocurrency exchange which is the largest exchange in the world in terms of daily trading volume of cryptocurrencies. You can buy, trade, and hold 350 plus cryptocurrencies on Binance application once it is installed on your mobile devices or any other digital devices. Once the application is downloaded, you'll be able to see an open button. Give it a tap to launch the app open. That's how you can easily download Binance mobile application on your Android device. Now a shortcut for Binance app will be created on your app drawer. That's how it is done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.